How to use MEXC Global Crypto Exchange easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use MEXC Global Crypto Exchange as a complete beginner. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to MEXC.com and you will land on this platform right here. This is the official website of MEXC Global Crypto Exchange. MEXC Global is a crypto exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade crypto. We have different options available. We have crypto futures, crypto trading, copy trading, ETFs available. So today I'll give you a beginner's tutorial on how to get started with MEXC Global and how you can use all of the different features and tools. That being said, let's get started with the video. Once you get to MEXC.com, you will get here and you need to create your own account. Creating an account is really easy. Click on sign up. You can sign up with your email address or phone number, enter your email address, set up a reasonable password, confirm your email through an email verification, and you're good to go. You will get your own account on MEXC Global. After the initial sign up or sign in to your MEXC Global, this is where you will get. Now let me show you the options available. You can see these are the different options we get on MEXC. First, we have market. Now, market has all the different spot, accounts for us, margin trading, ETFs, and futures. You can switch between different options and check out all the different coins, pairs, perpetuals available. The marketplace is pretty huge, and all of the coins that you can imagine are available on MEXC Global, and you will also get a live preview. Then we have a buy crypto options. So we have debit and credit card, global bank transfer, P2P, and third party payments. In trading, we have spot and margin and trading both. In futures, we have future overview, different perpetuals, demo trading, and leaderboard. In earn, we have liquidity mining, MX Zone, MX DeFi, and more. And then we have ETFs where we have leveraged ETFs and index ETF. There is also a copy trading option. This is the marketplace, and you can scroll down to check out any of the different coins. Click on trade to get to the trading window. First, let me actually show you how you can buy crypto using MEXC Global. So we have different options. Let's go with the debit and credit card. This is the easiest way to buy crypto with MEXC Global. First, you have to select your currency, whatever currency you have. So I'm going to go with euros here, and then you have to just pay with your debit or credit card. You can literally buy crypto with directly through your debit card. So this is the easiest way, and this option is actually not available in most of the exchanges, but it is available on MEXC Global. So this is the first way you can buy crypto. Then we have global bank transfer. You can buy crypto with the direct bank transfer as well. Select your country, select your account, international bank transfer. So you can go with the SWIFT, enter your bank details, and you will be able to buy crypto. In P2P trading, what we do is we do bank transfers with the different users that are available on MEXC Global. So this is like another way to buy crypto, and you can check out different, traders available here, and you can buy crypto from them. And there are easy payment methods available here, such as, in your country, whatever payment method is the easiest, it's actually available right here on MEXC Global. Then we have third party payments. So this is going to be through any payment channels such as Simplex, MoonPay, or others. So you can actually buy crypto with these two. If you have MoonPay and you want to use a third party tool to buy crypto, then you can just simply connect your platform, enter the details, and you will be able to buy crypto. So these are the buy crypto options on MEXC Global. Moving on, we have trade. In trade, we have spot and margin trading. So it's going to be quite similar, the view. So let's get to the spot trading, and it will open up the trading window for me, where I will be able to show you all of the different tools we are getting. So this is our trading view on MEXC Global. Here we have our order book. First of all, you select your ETF or your pair. So I have selected Bitcoin USDT. You can switch from one pair to another from this option given. Then we have the main chart here. You can see this is the live price for this pair that I have selected, and this is at the time of making this video. 24-hour high, 24-hour low, 24-hour volume, and 24-hour amount. This is our trading view. You can switch to original view, trading view, or depth. I have selected trading view, and this is my chart. And I can see that what's happening throughout the day. This is a daily view. You can go with 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or even 1 minute graph right here. So I have selected one day, and it's showing me what happened to my pair throughout the day. Then we have tools here such as forex and text, and we have different scales available so that we can mark different positions. So this is really important and very useful when it comes to the trading. Before we continue the video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling crypto involves high degree of risk, or whether you can afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand crypto trading, then you can get started with this. This is not a financial advice. This is a tutorial for you guys about MEXC Global. What are the different features and tools we get on this platform? That being said, let's continue. So on MEXC Global Exchange, we have the option of spot and margin trading, as I showed you before. So you can enter the amount here. This is where you actually buy and sell BTC with the trading. Enter the price here, enter the amount, select the percentage, select the total, click on buy BTC. In order to sell, select the price, amount, total, and sell BTC. So this is for spot trading. You can switch to margin trading. In margin trading, the view is going to be same. Right here, the chart. But the difference is going to be here, and you can enter the amount and total and then buy long and sell short. So this is how it works for margin. Scroll down and you will be able to see the order history, trade history here. Then we have futures. In futures, we have future overview. So let me show you that. Future overview. Welcome to MEXC futures up to 125x leverage with superior spread. We have the percentage given here, and we will be able to find the perpetual futures using USDT as the collateral, perpetual futures using the underlying crypto as the collateral. It depends on you what future you want to go for. This is the MEXC Global / futures, and it has more options for us, such as CoinM, USDTM, demo trading, activities, copy trading, and MX futures. So this is a whole new dashboard for us for MEXC.com / futures. A very good platform with all the different features and tools we look for when it comes to crypto and when it comes to the exchange. Then we have the earn option. So in earn, we have launch pad, we have MEXC MX Zone staking. Let's check out staking, which is the simple and secure way to earn crypto. In staking, we have flexible staking and locked staking available on MEXC. So this is flexible. You select your coin. You can check the observation period, estimated APY, click on stake now, and you'll be able to stake. This is flexible. If you want to go with locked, the process is going to be similar. You can see the coin, the crypto, the days, estimated API and APY, and then the action is stake now, and you can stake with the locked staking. ETFs. In ETFs, we have leveraged ETFs and index. Let's go with the index. Diversify your risk by investing in multiple assets. So this is actually pretty new because on most of the crypto exchange platforms, I don't see ETFs, but this platform is actually giving us ETFs. This is pretty good that we're getting ETFs and buy crypto and trade in the same platform. So this is ETFs again, full allocations here. This is your graph. Then you are also getting a pie graph right here, a chart. Then we have the history, buy and sell option. I'm actually giving you an overview about MEXC Global and trying to show you all the features and tools that you will be getting when you're using MEXC Global. And as a complete beginner, I'm giving you a tutorial so that you have an idea once you sign up for MEXC, what are the different options and tools you can use. This is ETF, leverage, and index. Get 1000. This is just for a bonus that we can get. And then we have copy trading. Now, copy trading is also one of the options that I really like when it's available on a crypto platform, on a crypto exchange, which is you can simply copy a trader, a professional, and you just copy what they do. And you, for example, if they're investing and they're doing spot trading, you will do the same. So it involves a high degree of risk, yes, but it also makes it really easy for you to trade as a complete beginner. You can also become a trader if you're really good. You can see different profiles are available here, the top traders that are doing good, and you can trust them and copy their trading methods to simply earn your profits and make money. And this way you can use MEXC Global. This is going to be your wallet, your profile. In your wallet, you have your assets, records, withdrawal, download. Then we have information and orders where you will be able to find your funding fee, order history, and open orders. This is a complete tutorial for you guys about MEXC Global, and I hope I was a big help, and now you know how to use MEXC Global as a complete beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.